Welcome to the self-paced polling tutorial. At this time, please locate the document titled The 10 Steps to Successfully Running Self-Paced Polling. Step 1 of successfully running a self-paced polling exam is to plug in your receiver. Step 2 is to open up Turning Points. And then step number 3 is to select your participant list. Step number 4 is to select your answer key from within content on the left-hand side of the screen. Step number 5 is to now select self-paced polling. Step number 6, click on the Accept Logins button in the upper left-hand corner. You now have the option of adjusting 3 of the default settings. The first setting is participant login. If you set it to off, that usually means that you have selected a participant list. If you choose one of the required options, this will require your students to input their user ID or their name within the NXT response card to proceed with the test. You may now choose to change the time limit. The time limit can be adjusted by end time or duration. Finally, we have the completed test message. The completed test message will allow you to determine if the students see their grade or a custom message on their NXT response card upon submitting their exam. Finally, select OK. Step number 7 is to now click on the Start Polling button. For students to enter the test, they first of all need to ensure that they're on the same channel as the receiver, and then click on any button on the response card. It is also important to note that students must be using the NXT response card to participate within a self-paced exam. For multiple choice questions, students just need to click on the button of their desired answer choice, and then to move to subsequent questions on the test, they will use the right pointing arrow at the top middle of the response card. For short answer questions, students will input their answer choice using an analog style text. Once they have inputted their answer choice, they will lock it in with the Enter button at the top middle. For numeric response questions, students will input the number of their answer choice and then click the Enter button to lock it in. Once students have completed the entire test, the response card will give the students the option of going back within the test to adjust answer choices or submitting the test by clicking the function button directly below where it reads OK. Once everybody has completed the test, we are now ready for step number 8, which is to stop the polling. To stop polling, click on the button in the upper left-hand corner. The last step within the test is to save the session. To save the session, select the Save button in the upper left-hand corner. Lastly, name your session file and click on the Save button. This now concludes the self-paced polling tutorial.